welcome back to Stars and Stripes Harley-Davidson dealership channel. We have here a beautiful addition to our accessorized bike inventory. An FLHXS is Street Glide Special. It's a security system with key fobs, 2 keys for the 4 o'clock, Daymaker headlights, dual Brembo brakes, slim engine guard, ABS line for extra security, floorboards for more comfort, 6-speed transmission with 114 cubic inch Milwaukee-Eight engine, 6-speed transmission, excuse me, and a lot of power just for a lot of fun. We got RDRS here. Let me focus in there. RDRS, again, another safety feature, plenty of advantages to it. The upgrades we've done are the Rinehart exhaust and the Saddleman seat. Saddleman 2-up seat has this backrest, and it sits pretty far back, so it gives you a lot of room if you're the tall guy, and the backrest keeps you seated there beautifully. 2-up seat with available sissy bar attachment to have a similar backrest for the passenger, and last but not least, the Rinehart exhaust has been added on there. Easy latch, 1-finger touch has been is a standard feature on Street Glides. That Rinehart exhaust I'll show you in a second. And we also have the tag here for registering the Saddleman seat. And lastly, the sound. Beautiful, beautiful motorcycle. Thank you so much for watching. So hit that bell to subscribe to the channel. Like the video by clicking on the thumbs up, and comment below on what you think we should accessorize more on this bike, what you would accessorize more on this bike, and what you think of the current accessories. Thanks so much. Have a good one.